A Blackout Bingo coin multiplier that appears active but does not increase your rewards can be caused by the multiplier's conditions, an app refresh problem, or a connection issue. The safest fix is to verify the multiplier requirement first, then refresh the game before changing your account or reinstalling the app. By the end, you'll know how to check whether the multiplier should apply. Refresh Blackout Bingo, test your connection, and identify when the issue needs support. First, open the multiplier or promotion information inside Blackout Bingo and check its exact conditions. A multiplier may only apply to qualifying games, rewards, or specific actions. If the requirement has not been met, completing another normal action may not increase the multiplied amount. If the conditions are satisfied but the reward still looks unchanged, completely close Blackout Bingo and reopen it. On Android, open the recent apps screen and swipe Blackout Bingo away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and swipe the game away. Then, launch the app again and check the multiplier before completing another qualifying action. Next, check your internet connection. Blackout Bingo needs to communicate with its online services to update account information and rewards. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, disconnect and reconnect before testing the multiplier again. You can also switch temporarily between Wi-Fi and mobile data. If the multiplier works on one connection but not the other, the connection is likely part of the problem. On iPhone, open Settings, tap Cellular, find Blackout Bingo, and make sure cellular access is enabled. On Android, open your network or app settings and confirm that Blackout Bingo is allowed to use mobile data. Then check for an available Blackout Bingo update. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android. Search for Blackout Bingo and look for an update button. Install the update if one is available, then restart the game. Android users can also clear the Blackout Bingo cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Blackout Bingo, and Storage. Then use Clear Cache if your device provides that option. Avoid clear data unless necessary, because it can remove locally stored app information and may require another sign-in. On iPhone, there is no standard clear cache option for individual apps, so restart the device and check for available iOS and app updates instead. If the multiplier still does not apply, check whether other rewards are updating normally. If several rewards or account features are delayed, the problem may not be limited to the multiplier. Do not repeatedly complete qualifying actions just to test it. If the multiplier is not being recorded correctly, additional attempts may not fix the underlying problem. The practical order is simple. Verify the multiplier conditions. Restart Blackout Bingo, test another connection, update the app, and clear the cache on Android when available. If the multiplier remains incorrect after those checks, contact Blackout Bingo support and provide the promotion details and what happened when you completed the qualifying action. If this fixed your coin multiplier, like the video and subscribe for more Blackout Bingo troubleshooting guides.